In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image ads with ChatGPT. We'll start by getting strong product images because great ads begin with great visuals. Place your product in bright, even light. Window light or a soft box works well. And clean your lens to avoid haze. Use a neutral background to keep the focus on the product. And shoot multiple angles and distances so you have options. Avoid harsh shadows and distracting reflections. Aim for high resolution so details stay sharp when resized. And skip heavy filters. You want clean, accurate color. Next, gather inspiration. Visit ad libraries such as the Facebook Ads Library and look for high performing ads in your category. Pay attention to lighting, composition, background choice, and how text overlays are placed. Notice which styles match your brand's personality: minimal and modern, bold and colorful, or lifestyle driven. Save a few examples that clearly show the vibe you want to emulate. Now head to ChatGPT and log in. You'll use it to plan and generate your image ad. The key is a precise prompt. Be clear about the platform and format. Say if it's for a square Instagram feed, a Facebook carousel tile, or a vertical story. Include product details and benefits, your target audience, and any must-show features like packaging or textures. Define the visual style, such as studio lit, lifestyle, or flat lay, and specify the background or scene. Finally, provide the exact text you want on the image, along with a short call to action, and note any brand colors or logo placement guidelines. Generate the image, then refine. If the first draft isn't quite right, ask for adjustments. Brighten the key light, soften shadows, tighten the crop, remove clutter, or shift the angle. Keep text concise and readable. Ensure there's enough contrast and safe margins so nothing gets cut off in different placements. Iterate until the product is clearly the hero and the message is unmistakable. You can also create ads using reference images. Upload a reference or share a link, then ask ChatGPT to match the lighting, angle, color grading, or composition style while keeping your product front and center. Use references as inspiration, not duplication, and avoid trademarked elements you don't own. When you're happy, finalize and download. Choose the best version, export in high resolution as PNG or JPG, and create sizes that fit your channels. Common options include 1080 by 1080 and 1080 by 1350. Do a final check for sharpness, legible text, brand consistent color, and a clear call to action. Save your files and you're ready to launch.